outer night, Morelos outer night before I joined the congregation. And it was fun. And up to now, I'm living up to the life that St. Joseph and St. Joseph Morelos has entrusted to me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Birdie. Now, isa namang bagets ang ating tatanungin.
Okay.
Ate, ikaw nakatingin ka sa akin. Bilang nakatingin ka sa akin, ano ang nararamdaman mo as of the moment? Kung marinig mo yung mga inspirational messages, makita mo mga marshals na nagsayaw sa harap mo in English.
Strictly in English,
Yes,
please.
please. Joke lang. Sige ate, feel free to express yourself. I'll be translating.
She's happy.
Kuya Ace, will you do the honors of translating her answer?
Why not?
Masaya po.
She's happy. I'm happy. Okay. Halata ka ba?
Happy.
Wow.
Parang nasa wawawi lang tayo.
Jara, I guess you have to ready yourself. Yeah. Okay.